I can't remember what happened in September, when everything is gone, when it's dark and I'm alone. It's been forever since I could have remembered. Where the hell is every pony? I just wanna know the story of what happened right before I became so alone. Back when every pony died, trails of blood during my stride. I just discovered the ponies were defeated by something really strong. It seemed very weird and wrong. It just doesn't belong, like it came out of this world. Try to stop me! Regained a small memory, came to my head just like that suddenly. I think I got enough clue. Something tells me this is worse than what I'm due. This is your redemption day, everybody! Go away from me! Stay away from me! Go away! You can't touch me now! You see this button here? I'm gonna press it! I just remembered what happened in September. I'm the one who killed them all. I survived after